Hello, it's Marcin from xeokit. Today we will load our model in xeokit viewer using vanilla JavaScript and do some basic interaction. First, we need to import xeokit SDK from CDN or install it in terminal, use Vite or some build system to run it. I will grab xeokit SDK from the CDN, paste the viewer, import the viewer from SDK, and we need the canvas element defined. So canvas element with my canvas ID. We need to style it out. So my canvas, full width and height, and light blue background color. Okay, now we need to define viewer. Canvas D. Okay. And now we will use xeokit loader plugin. So first we need to import plugin. And then define the loader. And we can now load the model using the plugin. We need ID, we need the source, and we can set the edges true. And then model unloaded, we jump to the model AABB to show the model on the scene. Okay, try it out. Working loaded model. Okay, and now if we hover on some entities, we'll colorize it, and hover off, switch back to the default colors. So we define last entity, last colorize, okay. And now AI is guessing. So the viewer camera control on, hover, pick result, no last entity, or pick result entity ID. Not the same as the last entity ID. And then we colorize it. Okay, it's fine. But we need more. Okay, last entity. So we set the last entity to pick result entity. And we set last colorize to the colorize. And then pick result entity colorize to green. All right. Try it out. Yep. And just hover off. Oh, yeah, seems fine. Okay, save, try it out. Yes. So this is how you load your model to the viewer and do some basic interactions. That's it. Happy coding.